Well, I guess you can say I was absolutely determined to finish this. So what I did was I went upstairs and I robbed my own little sewing kit of the thread that I needed, and I put it on my list that I need to pick up some more when I'm out and about. So I think this will do the trick. These are the sizes that I like to get. You buy these in a package of, oh, I'm not sure, 16 or 18 for, and I don't remember how much, but it's not very much. And they're not the tiny little ones. They're small, but they're not the smallest ones you can get. So they come in a variety of colors, and these are the ones I'm going to use. And because I was kind of short, I got a full spool of black and a full spool of white to put in the jar. So I'm going to start with those because those are going to take up some space. And then I'm going to, I brought this green one down just in case I needed it, but I don't think I will. So I'm going to put my thread, the rest of my colored thread in here. There we go. Well, I'll put the rest in a minute. So I've got my measuring tape that I got it off of Amazon. It came in a kit. Looks like 6-color pack of 12, it says. So I've been going through these to make my little sewing kits, which people seem to like. So that goes in. Then I've got my needles. I'm going to put those so that you can see them. Whoops. There we go. I strung, oh, I don't know, 8 or 10 buttons together on some embroidery thread in different colors, mainly neutral colors, browns, whites, blacks. I threw in a blue and a red just for good measure. So that goes in there because, you know, you lose a button. What are you going to do if you don't have another button? Even if it's not exactly right, at least it's something, right? This is for emergencies. So, okay, and I also strung some safety pins of various sizes on some embroidery thread, and that's going in there. I probably will switch these out because they're not very good. I've got an order of scissors coming from Amazon. I mentioned that earlier. So when they come in, I'll swap these out. I'll put these toward the top so it'll be easier to get. And then I've got my thimble. Got to have a thimble. And needle threader. These things are so valuable. And then put the rest of my thread in. And it would be nice if I had a couple more to top it off. But this looks pretty good. So I got that. I got my jar top, which I actually have under a book, so it'll stay down nicely. But I wanted to show you how it looks. And the only other thing, which I haven't done, which, like I said, I have to wait 24 hours, is to put some varnish on top of my little sign. But there it is. It's the cutest little thing. They sell well at my craft fairs. So I hope you love it. If you make one, share it with me, please. I want to see how it turned out. And a comment. I know I'm a tiny little channel, but I guess everybody starts small before they get big, and I'd like to be able to look one day and see that I have thousands of subscribers. So help me out by subscribing. Please subscribe and like if you like this tutorial, and share with your friends. That would be great. And I appreciate it very much. It just, you know, when I get a new subscriber, I get so excited. It's like, wow, it's party time. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll have another interesting video in another few days. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do yet. I got to think about it. So I like to try as much as possible to do different things. So hopefully you will maintain your interest in my channel. Okay, this is Liz Toon signing off. Bye-bye.